Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. And today we're looking at the best Cowrywise tips for saving on a low income. We know that inflation is high, salary is static, saving feels impossible. But what if you could save without even feeling it? Talking about micro saving strategies that actually work. First, I empathize with you. It is tough. This isn't about judgment, it's about creative empowerment. Use the 2025 Low Income Savings Playbook. That is number one. Use Cowrywise save small feature to round up every bank transaction and save the change. 15 naira here, 100 naira there. It helps you build it up invincibly. Two, save 20k monthly is daunting, let's be sincere. But what about 5k every Friday? That feels possible? Or how much can you save every Friday? Create a weekly auto funding rule. 3. Don't just save for emergencies. Create a goal. Maybe anti-medical bill or fix my car tire or something, name it. So you'll be more motivated to fund it. Then lastly, open the app every day for a week. Just open it. Familiarity builds the habit. Next week, try to save just 100 naira daily. So, consistency over amount is what's important. 500 naira saved every week is better than 5,000 saved once and withdrawn. So, you need to build your saving muscles first. Your financial goal or journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Every single naira you lock away in Cowrywise is a vote of confidence for your future self. You can do this. Start this week with just one strategist. Like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for the final step, which is the freedom framework. See you in the next one.